This is a sonic brush by EZBASICS, and oh my gosh, these cleansing brushes, if you have not tried this or added this to your skincare regime, you gotta give it a go. It's literally vibrates in and gets all of the gunk out of your pores, and it cleans in such a way that you literally feel your face tightening as you're cleaning. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. It comes with a little stand so you can hang, you can like set it here. You can set it there, and then it's got a charger, so you just charge it up. I just have it on the lowest one, but you can go higher with it. Again, like if you've got really dry skin, maybe use it once a week. But if you're like, I like to use it 2 to 3 times a week. I feel like I get such a better clean, and my skin and my pores look way better. I'm 54 years old, so skincare is kind of important at my age. So this is a great one. I love the way this feels. Also has this little guy on the back, so it's exfoliating at the same time, so it feels amazing.